Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. This is the Bitcoin Daily Analysis for today, Wednesday, 27th of November of 2024. Well, yesterday we talked about that Bitcoin did this whole correction to the downside, past this fair value gap, and past this fair value gap. And during the first part of the day, it goes up and then goes down the rest of the day, but it retraces a little bit, not near to the open button, just going down for 1.12% to the downside. So basically, did this big movement, this slow movement with a lot of volatility to the up and to the downside, leaving WEX to the upside and to the downside. So I think what I think is more likely is that, for example, we have an order block that is respected today, and I think most of the downside movement probably is already done because it can create a lot of a big movement this Monday, small movement this Tuesday. Seems like this Wednesday probably we will have a positive day or a less downside, a day with less downside. But we have this point of liquidity here. Usually, when Bitcoin don't respect one fair value gap, another fair value gap, the natural target is the low that comes next. And this is the low, guys. That is around 88,736. So this could be the next target for this movement. But seems, at least for today, that the Bitcoin price doesn't want to go below this zone because there was a lot of buying pressure to the upside. The price just goes down very steady during the day, not violent like here or like in other correction that we had in the past when we saw Bitcoin just dumping very fast without any problems, very fast. Now the correction is very steady. It's like these flags, like this day that are pretty low with low movement and low intensity and speed. So I think it's more likely that this correction is near to the end. I don't. I think the worst case scenario for now is to arrive into this low during this basically this Wednesday. I don't think Bitcoin will arrive here this Wednesday. Maybe the rest of the week if Bitcoin managed to close below the low of the Tuesday. But if don't, I think it will start to go up during the rest of the week. But for now, the idea is that Bitcoin will close over here and ideally over this fair value gap that we just create. Let me draw it because we will have another fair value gap here. This small fair value gap that we create. If Bitcoin want to show us that is super bullish, guy, you need to close at least over the midpoint of this WEC that we just had. Trade at least over this midpoint and close ideally over the midpoint of this fair value gap. Better if you trade over the upper part, but that is the target for the upside and the idea that if Bitcoin is bullish, it should close over here, at least, okay? But to the downside, we have this target and this target. I don't think Bitcoin will pass these targets more than here during this Wednesday. But if the Wednesday close below here, this target for the Thursday and Friday is almost certainty, okay? This is the analysis, guys. Hope you like it. If you want, you can subscribe, give us a like, and share with your friends. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye.